Hello and welcome to Assignment Discussion Session. What defines the vast field of psychology? This presentation explores the scope of psychology, from its foundational theories to contemporary applications. Discover how psychology shapes our understanding of human behavior. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It emerged as a distinct discipline in the late 19th century. Key figures like Wundt and James laid its foundational principles. Today, it addresses complex issues like mental health and artificial intelligence. Understanding psychology helps us navigate modern challenges. Wilhelm Wundt is often called the father of psychology. He established the first laboratory dedicated to psychological research. William James contributed by emphasizing the study of consciousness. Sigmund Freud introduced psychoanalysis, focusing on the unconscious mind. John Watson's behaviorism shifted the focus to observable behavior. The biological approach examines how brain structures and chemicals influence behavior. It considers genetics as a significant factor in psychological traits. This approach uses scientific methods like brain imaging. It has contributed to understanding mental disorders and treatments. However, it may overlook environmental influences. The behaviorist approach focuses on observable behaviors. It emphasizes the role of learning and environment in shaping behavior. Key figures include John Watson and B.F. Skinner. This approach uses experiments to study behavior changes. It has been criticized for ignoring internal mental processes. Correct. The cognitive approach studies mental processes like perception and memory. It views the mind as an information processor. Cognitive psychologists use models to understand thought processes. This approach has advanced areas like artificial intelligence. Critics argue it may underestimate emotion's role. The humanistic approach emphasizes personal growth and self-actualization. It focuses on individual experiences and free will. Key figures include Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. This approach values empathy and the human potential. Some criticize it for lacking scientific rigor. The psychodynamic approach explores unconscious influences on behavior. Sigmund Freud's theories are central to this approach. It emphasizes childhood experiences and internal conflicts. Psychoanalysis is a key method used here. Critics argue it lacks empirical support. Psychology addresses contemporary issues like mental health and crime. It helps develop treatments for disorders like depression. Research informs policies on crime prevention. Psychology also explores the impact of technology, like artificial intelligence. These applications demonstrate its societal relevance. Reductionism breaks down complex phenomena into simpler components. Holism emphasizes understanding the whole experience. Psychology debates the merits of both perspectives. Reductionism aids scientific study but may miss broader contexts. Holism offers a comprehensive view but can be less precise. The nature versus nurture debate examines genetic and environmental influences. Nature refers to biological inheritance. Nurture involves upbringing and experiences. Psychology explores how both shape behavior and personality. This debate remains central to understanding human development. Determinism suggests behavior is influenced by external factors. Free will emphasizes individual choice and autonomy. Psychology examines how these concepts impact behavior. Determinism supports predictability, while free will highlights personal responsibility. Balancing both offers a nuanced understanding of human actions. Scientific credibility in psychology involves rigorous methods. Hypothesis testing and replication ensure reliability. Operationalization of variables aids clarity. The experimental method has strengths and limitations. Balancing scientific rigor with human complexity remains a challenge. The scientific method is crucial in psychological research. It involves forming hypotheses and testing them. Replication ensures findings are reliable. This method's strengths include precision and control. However, it may not capture the full complexity of human behavior. Ethical considerations are vital in human research. Informed consent ensures participants' awareness. The right to withdraw respects autonomy. Confidentiality protects personal information. Studies like Milgram's highlight the importance of ethical guidelines. Ethics in non-human research focus on humane treatment. The 3 R's guide ethical practices: replacement, reduction, refinement. Replacement suggests using alternatives to animals. Reduction aims to minimize the number of animals used. Refinement improves animal welfare in research settings. Evaluating the scientific method involves assessing its appropriateness. It provides structure and objectivity in research. However, it may not capture subjective experiences. Balancing quantitative and qualitative methods is essential. This evaluation informs ethical and effective research practices. Milgram's study explored obedience to authority. Zimbardo's prison experiment examined situational influences on behavior. Both studies faced ethical scrutiny. They highlight the need for ethical guidelines in research. These examples inform current ethical standards. Comparing human and non-human research ethics reveals key differences. Human research focuses on consent and autonomy. Non-human research emphasizes humane treatment. Both require ethical considerations to ensure welfare. Balancing these aspects is crucial for ethical integrity. Level 4, Psychology demands clear concept explanations. Using named studies enhances understanding. Balanced evaluation ensures comprehensive insights. Structured writing aids clarity and coherence. Accurate APA referencing is essential for academic integrity. Submit your assignment via email to the designated address. Expect feedback within 3 to 5 working days. Ensure your work meets academic standards. Follow guidelines for structured writing and referencing. This process supports your academic growth. Psychology's scope spans foundational theories to modern applications. Understanding its principles aids in addressing contemporary issues. Through structured research and ethical practices, psychology continues to evolve. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-843-61688.